Have you ever cracked your knuckles and wondered if it's good or bad? Many people worry it may cause arthritis or long-term damage. Today let's clear the mystery and the science behind it. So why do joints crack? The popping sound is caused by gas bubbles forming and collapsing in joint fluid called the synovial fluid. Sometimes cracking can also come from ligament or tendon moving over the bone. Cracking of K-nucleus doesn't cause arthritis. But is it harmful? Generally it is harmless. It can indicate an underlying condition if it's associated with pain, swelling and stiffness. If you found this content useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.